Hey everyone. So I got these TOZO open earring earbuds. I actually saw these on Flossy Carter's um, YouTube, and so I like a lot of different. I actually have a lot of different earbuds. These are the ones I'm currently using. When I go to the gym, they are over ear. I think these are Soundcore. Uh, yeah, these are Soundcore. Um, they're nice. But the problem is, for an extended a length of time, just sitting on your ear, even the ones in ears or any kind of earbuds, um, you just get a lot of fatigue, in my opinion. And so, while this is nice, this still kind of just like pinches in the back of my, like the top of my ear when it's sitting there. And I saw Flossie talk about this, where this has such a unique design, and it's fairly lightweight. So I'm excited to kind of use this, but um, it's the Tozo open earrings. I'm excited to use it. Here is the box itself. We have the standard information scanned with the Amazon shopping app, and then the back of the box. So it does have a built-in LED digital display, open ear design for comfort, 12 millimeter dynamic drivers, and fashionable ear clip style wearing. So, all right, and let's go ahead and open it. It's like tightly packed. So I'm trying to see where I could kind of slip my knife in there. I think I was able to get that. No, I was wrong. All right, there we go. All right. So box itself, fairly simple, very small, not too much in terms of the packaging itself. But there's this. Oh, I actually opened it upside down. All right. So inside of the box itself, you have the user manual, uh, the support card. What is this? This is just like warning information. Yeah, warning, a warning card, and a quick guide. So you also get a USB Type A to USB Type C. This is like a 0.5 inch one or a 0.5. I don't know how big this one. This is extraordinarily small. Um, but we'll go ahead and put that in. What is this? Activate warranty. Scan QR code to activate within 14 days. So, all right. So the case itself. Go ahead and do that pull tab. And then the case itself, just for good sound. That's what it says. See? So you know that's good quality right there. Um, it's a nice case, actually. It's a nice case. The top part feels a little bit more flimsy than I'd like it to be. Um, but it doesn't seem to, like, you can kind of like accidentally flick it open like that. But it doesn't seem like the buds themselves are coming out. So that's nice. All right, let's go check out the quick start guide. All right, so Bluetooth pairing. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into Bluetooth. So we want to go into our settings, Bluetooth. Okay. So now we want to go ahead and take them out, and they should be in pairing mode. So let's go to Bluetooth and see. Seems to be a lot of devices. What is this? Okay, so search for until the auto. Okay. Where do I see that? Is it here? I guess I'll take that sticker off. And maybe this sticker too. Alright, so I took both of those stickers off. Is it because it's not charged? Okay, so the right one's charged, left one's charged. Alright. Okay, so there's the button. So it's flashing. Cycle. Okay, search for pairing time. Okay, so search for. So let's. Okay, so they're connected now. So let's go ahead and do Bluetooth connection and see if these pop up. Oh, there they are. TOZO open earring. And we're going to go pair. All right, so they are now paired. And HD AAC, actually. Okay. All right. So now that they're paired, ensure the speaker is facing. Okay, so this is the right earbud itself. Has a nice TOZO logo, the charging pins, and it's a really interesting design. Like, I don't know how this is gonna to go in my ear, but okay, so we just put it like this. Okay, and here's like a picture of how it goes in your ear. Okay, ensure the speaker hole is facing into the ear. All right. And then, okay, so we just do this for both. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is definitely different. This is definitely different. But it's less weight than these ones. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna play a song that I've been listening to. Um, where is okay? And one of the things is so this one right here, it doesn't have as much deep bass, and you can never really. Oh wow, 1 second. And you can never really do that, like get really good bass from open ear, anyways. But these are actually really these are pretty good. But I need to see when the bass hits. Okay, okay. Oh, and okay. So from my understanding too, there's an app for this as well. Maybe I could be wrong. Let me open up the App Store and see. Okay, so let's go to the Play Store, and I assume it's just Tozo. Yeah, yeah, Tozo ear. Okay, so Tozo Inc. Do these work? I think these work. I'll go ahead and download that app, and we'll kind of see if that's it. I may have just downloaded the wrong app, but we'll see. We'll find out. Should be in T's Tozo. Okay, let me go ahead and I will register for an account real quick. All right, so we got it in. Let me go ahead and put my country. Um, and we will go from there. Okay. All right, I have finished up. Proceed to authorize. Turn on Bluetooth. Okay, cool. And Turn on Bluetooth. Everything looks good. App. Okay. Notifications. That's fine. Add a device. Okay. Do I have to Oh, okay. So they are. There it is. Connecting device now. Okay. Okay. So, wow. Okay. I like that. All right. So, from my understanding, you kind of want to do an equalizer. So, bass plus maybe? See what that sounds like? And then we'll go ahead and open up the song that we were playing earlier. There's an anime setting. Yeah, these are definitely really comfortable to wear. Like I could probably wear this all day. It doesn't feel very intrusive at all. Um, the bass is now kind of actually hitting now that I've added the bass plus equalizer. So original. There's a lot of settings though. Yeah. Standard. Yeah, so the equalizer. So this is one of those earbuds that the equalizer actually makes a pretty significant impact and difference on it. So I'd play around with those and kind of see how that works for you. Um, but I like the way they fit. I like the way they feel. I'll go ahead and take them out. So taking out the left one and just to kind of show you the size difference, right? So this is the TOZO open earrings, and then this is the um, Soundcore one that I've been using. Uh, Definitely a lot more lightweight and small and kind of um, easy on my ears in terms of pressure. So that's nice. So I do again. I like the front display. It kind of just shows you the percentage. I don't know if this is like a touchscreen kind of thing. I don't think it does anything. I think it just lets me know that there is like how much battery life is left on it. But outside of that, um, that is my unboxing and initial impressions of the Tozo open earrings. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you on the next one.